It's Darren Wood here at Supply Side West 2017, and I'm on the Evonik stand and I'm talking with Ludger Eilers. Ludger, thank you so much for joining me today. Tell me a bit about Evonik for those who may not know.
Okay, thanks for the question, Darren. So Evonik is a fairly large corporation. So we have globally more than 34,000 employees, and we have net sales of more than 12 billion euros. So it's a fairly large corporation. Within this corporation, we have a business line which is called healthcare. And that's a fairly large portfolio as well, consisting of products, technologies, and services, all the way from pharma coatings, pharma building blocks for APIs, all the way to exclusive synthesis. And within healthcare, we have embedded our food ingredients business, and we have three pillars in our offering. Pillar number one is health ingredients. Health ingredients are for us naturally occurring compounds with proven health benefits. So it's important for us that a product actually works and that we have the science to back it up. Pillar number two is functional coatings. So these are delivery technologies in order to bring a health ingredient to the right part in the body where it works best to increase uptake and bioavailability. And the third pillar is formulation services. So we have more than 10 labs worldwide in all major markets, formulation development labs. And here we work for our customers and with our customers in order to create new formulations and solve the formulation challenge our customers face.
I'm looking around at the stand that you've got here. One of the newest innovative products that you've got is the AvailOm. Please tell me more about it, because it's quite exciting.
Yeah, actually this is a very exciting new ingredient. We talk about an omega-3 product. It's a powder with the highest load in the industry, more than 45%. It's super stable, and the beauty is it's really bioavailable, it's super bioavailable, and actually we have mastered the challenge of bringing free fatty acids into a solid form. Free fatty acids are known to be very bioavailable, 3 to 5 times more than ethyl ester, and actually the body converts ethyl esters into free fatty acids, and then those free fatty acids can be taken up. We save the body the first step. We bring free fatty acids directly into the body, and that results in a superior bioavailability, and very interesting, it can be compressed into tablets right away.
Ludger, tell me, what is the benefit for consumers and brand owners for the AvailOm?
Yeah, let's start with the brand owner. So our product AvailOm is a solid product, so it can be used on existing tablet presses and filling equipment for capsules, for example. No special equipment is needed. So it can be formulated together with different health ingredients to create multi-component products. Just imagine to have a multivitamin tablet with an additional dose of an omega-3 ingredient. Or just imagine to have a single entity omega-3 tablet. And now I come to your question regarding benefits for the consumer. This is about convenience. Convenience for the consumer. So we talk about tablets that we can produce with this ingredient that are very small. So the consumer does not have to swallow large and bulky soft gels with omega-3 oil, fish oil. A consumer can swallow and take small single entity tablets, and therefore we address the trend for convenience.
And how long was the market research for AvailOm? How long had the idea been around, and how long has it come into fruition? And also, where do you see it standing out in the marketplace compared to others available?
So for us in innovation, it's always important to keep in mind what the consumer actually wants. The consumer wants convenience. If you look at the supplements market in North America, about 2/3 of all Americans take supplements. However, only 1/3 of these users take them regularly. So there's a gap in compliance. So if we make it more convenient for consumers, compliance will go up. And that's the reason why we innovated in the area of creating an omega-3 product which has a very high load of EPA and DHA to enable the formulation of smaller dosage forms. And that idea was created about 4 years ago. So within 4 years, from idea all the way down to product launch today here at Supply Side West, this project was worked on very heavily by our scientists, and we are very proud to launch it here at the show. So we are launching this product here on the North American market, and the next step will be to bring this product to other geographies. So we're working on regulatory approval in Europe, for example, and in other geographies. That's number one. Number two is we can create different kinds of omega-3 powders. If you're interested in a high DHA powder for infant formula, for example, then with our technology, which is patent protected, we can do that. Yeah, so we can even go one step further. We can take the oil of your choice that you used to work with in the past and use that and convert that into a powder. So this technology that we have invented 4 years ago is very versatile, and we can address different lifestyles, all the preferences of our brand owner as customers, keeping in mind what the consumer wants. And the good news is we can do that in our labs for you.
Thanks very much, and we'll have more on this on foodbev.com very, very soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Darren. Pleasure to meet you.